Hello everyone, and hello ma'am. Good day po. I am Market Lerbaran, and I am going to discuss about strawberry production and Malabar spinach production. So first, I am going to start with strawberry production. Common name, strawberry. Local name, Prisa. Scientific name, Fragaria ananasa. And craft family name, it belongs to Rosaceae family. Production guide of strawberry. Biology. The strawberry was originally grown in northern Europe, but species are also found in Chile and Russia. The garden strawberry was first bred in Brittany, France, in the 1750s via cross of Fragaria virginiana from eastern North America and Fragaria chiloensis, which was brought from Chile. These are the types of cultivated strawberry. First, the June bearing. Second, the ever bearing. And lastly, the day neutral. June bearing is harvested in early summer in late May to June. So, diri na time ang pinakadagko og tubo ng strawberry and pinakadaghan og production. While ever bearing naman is in the time of July to September. So, diri na time lower na ang ilang production. Sa day neutral, it produces flowers and fruits during summer. Site selection strawberry production. Choose a site suitable for agriculture and compliant with environmental regulations. So, dili lang ta magpataka og tanom og craft if dili recommended ang soil. Plant straw in well-drained loamy with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. So, dapat ang soil is uga o mabuhangin siya para ang roots niya dali lang makaspread. Dali lang siya mutubo. In climate requirements, ideal strawberry growth and yield occur at temperatures between 14 and 23 degrees. So, na siya sa highland area or bugnaw na dapit. Like, diri sa Digos na ay farm strawberry sa Kapatagan. So, dili siya mabuhi if itanom nimo siya sa init na field. Ang pinakadako na plantation or farm strawberry diri sa Philippines is La Trinidad Benguet. Vegetables growth is generally favored from April to mid-September due to longer day lengths and sakto lang ang temperature. In strawberry varieties, we have Sweet Charlie, Strawberry Festival, and Missionary. Planting. Plant the strawberry crown at the correct depth. So, dili siya lutaw para dili siya madry ang roots and dili siya lalom kayo para dili malata ang iyang stem. Planting and training. Choose strawberry varieties based on factors like market demands, your preferences, and your climate para dili siya sayang ang imong gastuhan nga crop. Dapat mag-research ka muna sa area or sa imong community. Planting times depend on your location. Example, in hills, pwede ka magtanom from June to July. And if in flood-prone areas naman, plant later in August or September. First week of September. There are the two common planting systems, matted row and space matted row. In matted row, they let the plants grow freely to form a dense row, while space matted row, they give space the runners out for more controlled growth at easier weeding between rows. So, nasa mga distansya agianan sa tao or agianan sa farmers para easy to weed lang, dili matamak-tamakan ang plants or crops na gitanom. In irrigation, So, sa irrigation, nagamit sila og sprinkler. So, muna siya naga-spread sa tubig para equally o balance ang tubig. 1 inch of water per week para dili malata ang roots and stem. And irrigation is used to provide adequate moisture and can be used to deliver fertilizers and pesticides. Like if mag-apply og fertilizers, after that isunod na dayon ang pagpatubig para ang fertilizer dali lang ma-moist and ma-absorb dayon sa roots sa crops. Transport. Harvested strawberries must be covered during transport to avoid contamination. The basket should be limited to 18 kg and lined with newspaper para dili siya mabunog. And last, if the farm vehicle is used for other purposes, clean it before hauling strawberries. In harvesting, pick strawberries in the late afternoon around 3 p.m. for logging storage life, and use your thumb or kaning hinlalaki to cut the stem. So bilinan og short part from 0.5 to 1.0 cm on the fruit. Fertilization. Apply fertilizer based on soil analysis to optimize nutrients use and minimize waste. Dili magpataka og apply og fertilizer if dili suitable sa crop. Dili suitable sa crop. Sa soil, dili suitable sa crop ug sa soil para dili sayang ang gasto. And avoid over fertilization which can harm plants, delay fruiting of softened berries. Kay common effect if over fertilization is magagmay ang iyahang crops or madelay ang fruits, na siya ay possible na malata ang fruits food. So there are sample fertilization schedule. Sa inorganic, we have triple 14. So ang applyan is side reseed at 2 and 4 months after transplanting. Urea. So same lang, sided reseeds at 1 month after transplanting, and muriate of potash, side reseeds at 2 months after planting. Sa organic naman, we have Carabao manure o kanang dumi nila, apply 2 weeks before planting. And chicken dung, dumi gyapon sa mga manok, 1 to 2 weeks before transplanting. And compost are 1 week before transplanting. For pruning leaves to improve air circulation and flowering by removing grown leaves, and remove all leaves that are no longer productive and may hinder growth. So i-remove to mga laya na nga dahon or kanang dili na siya need sa crops. So next is about alugbati production or Malabar spinach. Common name, Malabar spinach. Local name, alugbati. Scientific names, Bacilla alba, and it belongs to Bacilliaceae family. Alugbati is a popular leafy leaves in the Philippines. Common siya sa mga backyard garden. So dali lang siya, basic lang siya itanom. Also known as Ceylon spinach, Vietnamese spinach, and etc. And widely cultivated throughout the Philippines. Description. Appearance of alugbati is have a succulent vine with green or pearlish stem. Di ba makita na to sa palengke na duha ka variety or color. Ang isa is pure green, ang isa is combined with red and violet. And there are leaves are fleshy and heart-shaped heart shape, or oblong. Their size is 5 to 12 centimeter long. Origin. Topika origin. Nag-originate ang alugbati sa India and Australia and Indonesia. Mabuhi siya sa katamtaman lang ang init, kaya siya mo lahat tayo og init na weather. Or heat tolerance, unlike sa spinach, lahi nga variety, mabuhi lang sa bugnaw na lugar or area. Production trends. Grown as perennial in tropics, annual in warmer temperatures regions. Sold in local markets, dali siya mahalin, no? Dili na kailangan og import kay dali ra siya mahalin sa mga local markets na to, and dali ra pud siya barato ra pud siya. Good benefits pud sa to ang health. And consider as a minor vegetable lang pud siya, dili siya pang malawakan jud. Uses and importance. Young shoots eaten in soups, stew, and salads. Mao na siyang mga yang udlot sa alugbati. Fruit juice used as ink, dye, and eye drop. So, mao na siya ang katong red nga alugbati, lahi nga siya nga kuan. Lahi siya na sa kay tawagan ni. Lahi siyang varieties. Mao na katong bitong liso. Pislito nimo siya na siya mo gawas nga color red or violet. And roots ginagamit sad siya as treated diarrhea, o tambal siya sa diarrhea. Pakuluan lang siya and then imnon. There are two main types of alugbati. Green stem with oval leaves. Health benefits, rich siya sa fiber for fluent digestion. Tambal sad siya sa mga naay cancer, or help siya to prevent cancer disease, and rich in folic acids para sa mga buntis. There are two main types of alugbati. First, we have green stem and leaves with oval form, and red stem same as green with oval leaves. Cultivation, climate and soil requirements. Hot and humid tropical areas. So, kailangan siya og init. Well-drained sandy loam, soil rich and organic matter. So, dapat tambok ang yuta og kanang mabuhangin siya. Dili siya ingon nga clay. Planting from cuttings. Choose healthy tips cuttings 20 to 25 centimeter long and remove leaves. Soak cutting overnight or restore in dark, o i-restore sa dark para og sa init man go dali lang siya ma-louse. And damp place for 1 to 2 days. Plant in hills rows, spacing 6 to 8 inches apart, and grow 3 or 4 cuttings per hill or space, then 8 inches apart in rows. Lagyo siya no para maka-spread pa ang iyahang stem. Okay, kusog mo na siya mukatay. And water well and keep soil moist. So minti siya, dili siya dapat maughan. Kay madaot man pod, and murag hinay og produce ang iyang roots, hinay wala siya nutrients o uga. Planting from weeds. Scarify the seeds by lightly scratching the outer coat to aid germination. Plant seeds outdoors when soil temperatures reaches at least 18.33 degrees Celsius. Sausage 1/4 inch deep, space 8 inches apart through. So dili kay siya lalong pagtanom, no? For home gardens naman, use slanting. Dili siya tindog yung kaayo, slanting lang siya, or horizontal slings for support. For fertilization, conduct a soil test. So mag-test lang yung daan sa sa soil para kay og magtanom lang ka diretso, ang if ever ang soil kulang siya og nutrients, so hinay og tubang imuhang kuan vegetables or crops na gitanom. Soil test to determine nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium levels. Apply compost or manure during plant preparation. Add as a sided once a month. So kuan pud siya kanang before transplanting mag-apply ka og manure or mga chicken dung or pampataba, or pwede ra pud siya inorganic or abono. Use tea manure or fermented plants juice or FVG as an alternative. Make tea manure by soaking manure in water for a week, then dilute it after applying. Make FVG by fermenting chopped plant parts with sugar, molasses. Mix this molasses is siya, organic siya nga pampataba. Then dilute it after applying. Trellising. Not needed for commercial production. So dili siya pang commercial, pang kuha lang siya, pang market lang siya diriya. Use trellising in home garden to maximize space, slanting or horizontal. For irrigations, needs plenty of water, especially during dry season. So if dry season, dapat yun siya maintain support ang tubig, kay maughan mo gud siya, hinay siya og tubo o mugagmay pud diyang dahon. Use furrow irrigation every 5 to 7 days or daily sprinklers irrigation. So required siya daily if kuan siya anang init ang panahon. Apply mulch or grass clippings, rice straw to conserve moisture. In weeds management, before transplanting, prefer lands truthfully. So if prefer bungkalo nimo unsay para mahumok ang yuta, or unsay maglapag pug ka og mga organic nga pangpataba. After planting, apply mulch around plants. Mag-apply na pug ka. Manual weeding, pull weeds by hands. Pwede ang weeds, pwede rin mo ibton, or pwede po kag magamit og hoe as needed. Harvesting. Ready at 30 to 40 days. So pwede na siya before transplanting, maghihap lang ka og mga 30 to 40 days, 1 month and a half, pwede na ka mag-harvest. Cut stem close to ground or uproot entire plant. Pick shoots 15 to 25 cm long weekly. Harvested late afternoon to reduce spoilage. So mag-harvest ka late afternoon na, kay mag-harvest mong ka o buntag or udto na possible nga dali lang siya malaya. Post harvest handling, wilt easily, so dali lang siya malata. Wilt easily, sprinkler with water. So if mag-harvest na ka, na-harvest na nimo, dapat magkuan gyapon ng bubuan gyapon nimo og tubig para fresh lang siya. Then pack in styrofoam boxes and refrigerate for up to 14 days. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.